Gina with WTI. There's a lot of different collagen products on the market, and one thing that I really like about this one from Zen Principle is that it is marine based with wild caught fish. That's really important to me because I don't like to use products that are from farm-raised fish, and I can't have things that are beef-based. So this is really awesome to give me the amount of collagen that I need to really see results, especially with my nails. I'm so impressed with how much stronger and longer they are since I've been using this on a consistent and continuous basis. My favorite way to use it is in a smoothie. I generally have one once a day, and I love that this is unflavored. It doesn't affect the taste. I even snuck this into my husband's coffee and he didn't notice at all. Now, I noticed that when I'm adding to warm liquid, it's better to add 1 scoop, stir, add the next scoop, then stir. What I did is I added 2 at the same time, and although the clumps did go away, it took a little bit more stirring than it would have if I had just done 2 individually. I also appreciate that this collagen from Zen Principle is hydrolyzed type 1 and type 3 collagen, which is easier to be absorbed by your body and doesn't disturb digestion, which is something I struggle with. So I found that this didn't cause me any issues at all. I'm also looking forward to the long-term benefits that you get from taking collagen on a regular basis. I really like this one from Zen Principle, and that's my point of view.